Okay, I'm getting into 15. Loop out. Here you can see, okay, we are clearing the record and do poll. How many records are there? 114. Can see it. Hey, yeah, what is this? Now you can see all the records. How many records are there here? All records will come. Source level. Okay, real calculation is not happening still. Okay, you can see these records. Now you can see only balance, not debit and credit. That calculation is not happening still. Okay. Can see all are zeros only. Okay. All are zeros only. Now we'll go below. We have a code. Below we have a code. Now you can see. You need to clear each and every line. You need to do it. Okay. What is the physical period, physical variant, and what is this year? So 2023-001, they're capturing only 2023. So like this we need to do. Okay, what is their values here? So if you click on F5, then we will get one entry in this internal table. So here you can see one entry is there. Okay, all are blank, only fiscal variant and year would be there. Click OK. Click OK. And then this is again how many records are there in this source and scope package. 30 times we have to do it. So I'm keeping my breakpoint here and I'm executing it. Directly it is coming to here. Okay. Now you can see here. If not, this if you don't have any values, then it will not run. If not is initial, then it will execute this one. So they are getting data t underscore y, whatever your data, they are keeping into td01 and F5. Click on F5, we'll get the records. Okay. We don't have any records in this TW09. Size of box is getting 0 or 4. It is not succeed because of this one different and this one different. This is 4. This fiscal variant having 8. Sorry, LT. Just double click is okay. This and this, it is not matching. And source package, what are the records? Source package. 30 records are there. Here, how many records are there? 121. And do it, okay? Now, click here. Now you can see here, you can go and check it. Okay, here source level, we have what is the balance. We didn't check temporary storage completely. So here you can see how many records are there. Can go right side. Now you are getting debit credit balance. Go back. What is our account? Our account we need to select 3310. Now you can see debit credit also updating. This is turnover. Debit credit. We having only credit, not this one. Okay. Finally, that will add into the next calculation. Okay. So if you run into this, it will balance, it will fill into from 1 month to next month. Okay. This is what we are seeing now. Go to manage. Go to manage. You can go to the content. Now you can see in the new data table. Okay. Same data, we'll see it. Balance. Okay. Just go through it one or two times. So this is very, very important in the real time. Okay. Now I want to show you one more thing. Okay. So here I just wanted to show you. Okay, okay, got it. Executed into this system. Okay. You want to know the few, okay, how we will design a ABAP code. Okay, how do you and radio buttons, checkboxes. Okay, SC38. Okay. So everything is possible here as well. Display. Now you can see very simple code. Very simple code. This is the declaration part. This is declaration part. So I want to give two checkboxes. Okay. That is GV underscore check one. That is checkbox. And this is checkbox two. Okay. Here this is selection screen. This is selection screen begin of block V1. This is selection screen. Okay. So here the code will be see selection screen will be lay. In the between we have a parameters check one, check two, check one, check two. Okay. So here you can see if you are selecting by default what is this? First one will be X. Okay. If it is checkbox is selected, then it will select. And if you are selecting checkbox two, then checkbox is selected. See here, execute. Is it inactive? Okay, let me activate. If the program is inactive means it will not execute. So we need to keep it execute. See here, simple code, you try it. Okay, write the code and check it. This is checkbox one. This is checkbox two. If you select both also fine. See what is the option came? Result set. Checkbox one is selected, checkbox two is selected. Okay, if you select first one, then checkbox one is selected. Okay, if you select second one, if you select this one, okay. So I think we didn't write code for without selecting. Without selecting, I didn't write the code. If we select, then it will get the output. So in the same way, you assume like anything, okay? You can write the code in the BW. If it is not possible through SAP transformations, you can write anything, okay? Just for your awareness. Okay, this is checkbox and radio button. Now you can see same way, however we created for checkboxes, same way I give three radio buttons. Option 1, option 2, option 3. Okay. And then execute. So here by default is first one selected. How it is selected? So I given right by default. Where is this? Here you can see by default X. By default radio button 1 will be selecting. If you give same code for second one, it will select second one. So we need to give only default for one only radio button. See here, by default it is selected. And if you execute, okay, radio button 1 is selected. If you select third one, radio button 3 is selected. If you select, so like this you can write the code as well. Okay. You can assume like no, we have a What is this? User ID for the email ID and password. So whatever you are entering, right? Click on OK. So click on login, right? So that screen also you can develop. You can develop same web development, however it is there. That you can develop here also. Okay. So everything is possible. This is programming language only. Okay. You can implement anything if you want. If you are interesting into the program, you can write it. Okay. This is simple radio button checkbox. Okay. And one more thing I just want to show you. Very important one. This is fine. Okay. Example, somebody written the code. Where? In the same one. In the same one. What is the same one? Example, this one. Open. Might be, okay, we just join in the project. They have enhanced multiple data sources. Multiple data sources. Where you can see they written code into the same one here only. They written code into the here only. What is the data source name? Okay, here you can see. What is the data source name? This one? VAHDR. 2LS underscore 11 underscore VAHDR, this data source. Okay, you can see here. Hmm? The written code into here. V item. Okay. So they written code into the CMOD. Okay. I don't know where they written code. Okay. If I want to know, then go for this one. AW. No. EWK1. There is a T code. Okay. I'm giving only this field. Whatever you have field, so directly it will give the program where you return the code. Okay. I'm searching it. Only enhanced field name should be give. Okay. Wherever they written code in the system, that will fetch to you. Might be they written the same code into 100 programs. They written code into the 100 programs. Okay. It will display you 100 programs. Oh, they written this program for this field. They are populating the data based on this code. Okay. So you can easily identify this T code. EWK1. T code is EWK1. By using EWK1, we can easily identify which field is enhanced, where they have written the code. It will take time, 1 or 2 minutes, but it will display the data. Here it is displaying. See here, WA data ship to. No ship partner. WA data ship to. WA TMP Kuna. What is the code here? You can check it here. Here only, right? What is this? WATMP Kunna. This is only right. Exactly same code only. Okay, you can click here, second one. You will go to the program. See, this is the program you written. Okay, I came to here. From there to here. Okay, this one program. Oh, okay. Easily you can identify wherever they enhance the data source. Easily by using this T code, you can identify it. Okay, it's very, very important. Okay, we'll see tomorrow.